Did you know that in ancient Rome it was completely illegal to wear purple clothes? Only the emperor could wear this colour. If an ordinary person wore purple, they could face a death sentence. Also, in medieval England, a king once banned long, pointy shoes because he thought they looked ridiculous and dangerous. And in ancient Greece it was illegal to be too fat. If a citizen gained too much weight, they were publicly shamed and forced to leave the city. Which law surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to FactWave.